Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka craft Bazaar ke bala pelong da ka Nift Shillong kala kutno ak arpan riu trek bluber aja pesan da ka jingsa kilang u Komisioner Sekretari Sarkar Meghalaya Sanjay Goyal u bala long kum kongsan ringkat ka jing don lang Jong Shankar Kumar Jha u bala director jong ka Nift Shillong ki nong Shna Tiar ki no hikai ki samla pulie bat ki pai ba ki bala wan ban sa kilang hakini kesngi.
Here we are at St. Anthony School premises, and I have Shillong this year conducting Days Craft Bazaar in the premises of the St. Anthony Anton Halls. The purpose of this Craft Bazaar is to provide an interface to the artisans and the weavers across all the Northeast states, as well as the new innovative, create-minded students of the NIFT Shillong. The interaction with the students as well as the artisans will yield to the new innovative design-oriented products having the market presence globally. This is the purpose. As part of the activities across all the Nift campuses, we are conducting this Craft Bazaar once in a year. This year, our Craft Bazaar is basically, we have invited 20 to 25 artisans across the Northeast states, and this 2 days event will certainly lead, apart from the discussion among the students and the faculty, it will also boost up their sales. There are so many people from the Shillong, they are visiting this venue, and they certainly will buy the products which make an easy access. Because suppose, for example, there are so many artisans, they are selling their products through there are so many intermediate channels, and as a result, the cost of the products get enhanced, and artisans also get very less margin. And such venue will enable them to sell the product directly to the customer, and it will give an exposure to the artisans also, because they have the interaction with the Nift faculty. They will make a visit to the Nift. They will be able to see the infrastructure of the NIFT, which is one of the leading design institutions in the entire Northeast campus. So all these things will make a boost to the artisans, as well as our students will also able to know the traditional skills, how the artisans are making from the years and years. So this is win-win situation for the students also, as well as the artisans also. Response, I think it is well, because this time we have given a new shape this year. Earlier we were making the Craft Bazaar in our campus only, and our campus is situated not in the city. So this year we have decided that Craft Bazaar should be done in the city only. And I think being a center of the Shillong, there are so many people will visit, and products will also be getting to the enhanced. Yeah, today is Craft Bazaar. Today is the last day, and we have the validity ceremony just now will start. And Sanjay Goyal, IAS, Commissioner Secretary to the Department of Commerce and Industries, he has been graced the occasion as a chief guest. One more thing I would like to add, as far as the vertexes is concerned, there are 3 main vertexes. One is our students, second is our artisans, and third is the end user, customer. Such platform will reduce the gap among the students, among the artisans, and among the customers, because we are providing one common platform where these 3 can sit together, they can interact with the artisans, and artisans can further sell out the products to the end user. So this is a forum where we can reduce the gap in all these 3 vertices.
children like us. We will have train you and let them come.
First and foremost, let me compliment each and every one of you, the artisans who have displayed their skills and caliber in terms of various dresses and designs, the students who have put up such a beautiful show today evening and showcasing the kind of talent which are there in this part of the state and the country. And in fact, I was discussing with one of the faculty members, and it was made to understand that it was a fusion kind of thing as far as the dresses were created, and taking into account the local, each and every tribe has its own way of dressing, way of using the fabric, weaving, and all other patterns and all. So I'm very happy to see that this kind of creativity is happening in this institution, supporting various artists and organizing this kind of craft bazaar, which becomes a platform to showcase their talent, bringing the artists together, exposing them to various nuances of the economy as well as the kind of exposure they need to upgrade their skills and take their talent and their creativity forward. The PM Vishwakarma scheme, which is basically aimed and designed for the artisans. So the artisans should come forward and register themselves with this scheme. It is very simple. You have to just visit the nearby common service centers and then register themselves, and then we take up the training component. It's a short-term training, 7 days, 15 days, and all those kinds of trainings. You get a certificate, you get an ID card, and then you get a exposure to the collateral-free loans and all those kinds of things. So it's a very important thing in the state. We have already got more than 11,000 applications. We have already conducted 4 rounds of training, batch of 25 each of the artisans. And then what we are looking forward is that we link them to the market, we refine their products, we give them the trainings in terms of marketing, packaging, and all those kinds of things, so that a product which, so for example, we are picking up any of these products which might be a very good product but doesn't have that market value in terms of the appeal to the eye. So that is what is also very important, and I believe again NIFT can play a very important role. I am very happy that you have been collaborating for these kinds of craft bazaars in the past. I would request the director to take it up to a different level. Maybe we can bring in more artisans, we can bring in more public and give them the platform, the platform which they need. And that's why I was very happy when he mentioned that yesterday also this was showcased in a summit wherein not only Meghalaya, the entire country and maybe 7, 8, 10 other countries were there to see your talent and to see your product. So a lot of scope is there, and the government is trying its best to support the artisans, support the skills. A lot of skill developments are happening. I will request, especially the students, whenever they get the opportunity to get in touch with the artisans and similar kind of skilled people, try to see that what we can do in terms of helping them in linking with any of these schemes. These schemes are available on the internet. They are available on our websites and all. Your director is in touch with me. We can come one day and maybe can give further exposure to you about this scheme. But I would like you people to take it forward and see that our artisans, they are very good. They are working. They are working hard. But are they getting enough returns in terms of remuneration or in terms of money of their talent and of their experience? That is what I believe is missing, and that's what we are now trying to push in and bring their work to a level wherein they are recognized in the way they should be, and their talent gets enough returns in terms of enterprise. I'll be very happy if each and every artisan who is sitting here is in a position to become an entrepreneur and employ 10 different artisans under him or her. That's how the thing should work. I mean, you should pass on your talent to the people who are likely to take your talent forward and bring value to it. I'm sure it is happening and you are passing on your talent. It doesn't go along with you. You have to pass on to the next generation. And that also should keep on continuing, keep on happening on a continuous basis. I again wish NIFT, I again wish the students of the NIFT, all the artisans who have come from Meghalaya and other parts of the northeastern states, all the very best to you people, and may God bless you, and we see more and more such events happening in future. Thank you everyone.